You know. Are you ready? Let's start. I, Trinsan Princess Hope Zisinabin, 20 years of age. I live in Bayugan City, Agusan del Sur. I completed my primary education at Bayugan West Central Elementary School and my secondary education at Father Orius College of Bayugan Incorporated, formerly Father Orius High School. I finished Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Soil Science on June 2017 at Central Mindanao University, Musuan Maramag, Bukidnon. I also graduated my Master of Science in Soil Science with the thesis title of Soil Chemical Properties, Agronomic and Yield of Eggplant, applied with carrageenan and organic concoction in Tagbinas, Surigao del Sur, in the same institution. I work as laboratory analyst at Soil and Plant Analysis Laboratory at College of Agriculture in Central Mindanao University. After a year and a half, I decided to explore the field of academe as a contractual service instructor at Northeastern Mindanao State University, Tagina campus, formerly Surigao del Sur State University. I was also involved in extended activities along with my students such as devouring the livestock and conducting a seminar on crops in the different barangays of Balbina. My hobbies are singing and jogging. Some interesting facts about me: I can dance from practice video and execute in less than an hour. Now, I enroll in the teaching certificate profession at St. Francis Xavier College last August 2024. I began to love and appreciate the significance of the knowledge and strategies in the course that I will gain and apply in my current role as a college instructor.